If you want to improve the performance of your crops, and hope most of us, this short video could be of interest. The Yield Enhancement Network, or YEN, connects a range of agricultural organisations and farmers trying to close the gap between their actual crop performance and what the crop is really capable of. Now covering a whole range of crops, YEN is run by ADAS and it has its own website. Now, AHDB cereals and oilseeds are proud sponsors of both the cereals and the oilseeds YEN, and every year we support our monitor farm hosts to enter. Last year, the Vale of Beaver Monitor Farm entered a crop of Gleam winter wheat, and they grew it using their usual farm practice. After harvest, every entrant receives a detailed report, and this is an example, and you can find these on the YEN website. And the report covers resource data, including weather, crop growth, and any apparent yield constraints. It's really long and detailed, lots of information. Now, last year's wasn't a great harvest for most of us, with late establishment and then growth cut short towards the end and so on. The Monitor Farm report indicated the yield of this Gleam crop was limited largely by lack of sunlight. It was a small crop with low ear numbers, and both these factors are known to be important in determining yields. The purpose of information like this is to help you find ways of modifying how you grow your crops that might improve the yields on your land. Now, the learning from this is really useful, but YEN also offers technical sessions with leading crop experts, along with newsletters and networking sessions. And this knowledge exchange, through having the opportunity to compare with and learn from others, adds real value to taking part. To find all the information about YEN, the website address is at the top.